Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to ALCATEL 1SE Lite. Begin by opening Play Store on both and downloading free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to set it up, click on I agree at the top. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top and tap on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of ALCATEL. Also on ALCATEL, click on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Then click on Close this window and go back to an Android. Now you can finally use all of those categories available at the top to select multiple files that you wish to transfer. When you are ready, hit Send next to Selected. I will go with those two pictures. Now hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, tap on the scanning icon next to Input key on ALCATEL. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. If you prefer, you can also input this key into Input key section and then tap on Receive to connect. So when I do that, as you can see, all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!